Yeah. Mm, Good evening. Good evening, all. Yeah. Mm, Good evening. Good evening, all. The, just a moment, guys. I'll just share our link and then update you. Good evening, friends. Vanakkam, everyone. Today morning we had a poor internet connection. I don't know what is the problem over there. Somehow we were not able to continue the session, and we winded off a bit early. Now I think we don't have any issues. Prob- Probably now we can go ahead with the session. If people have any queries, just keep posting so that I will try to answer all your queries. So today actually there is an important meeting in US between Joe Biden and the Federal Reserve Chairman uh, Jerome Powell. I'm not sure what is the meeting all about, but people are, I mean, the analysts are predicting something, some important announcement could be there. Maybe rate hike kind of stuff sooner or later from US Fed. So that's the reason markets are jittery across the world. If you see, um, German markets and Italian markets, which were trading in green comfortably, are in red. Actually, they were not in green, but it was just a quarter percent, 0.25% in red. But now it has gone into deep red, like 1.25%, 1.37% in red. FTSE, the Britain markets, which was trading comfortably in green, is now just a quarter percent on the green side. And Nasdaq, after 1 day break, that is 3 days holidays, forget about the Saturday and Sunday, and Monday it was a holiday for Nasdaq because of some Memorial Day, I guess. So now it's quoting in 1.19% in red. So this is the stuff as of now. And if you people have any queries or questions about individual um, positions, you can ask me. We will go through the charts and have them rectified. One of our member has asked a query about uh, Bharat Forge for a swing trade. Let's see how the charts look like for Bharat Forge. Um, and Bharat Forge, before even going to the charts, I'll say one thing that tomorrow, first of the month, probably their sales numbers would come tomorrow in the second half or day after tomorrow. Their Class 8 trucks, which is getting exported, plays a major role. So before, um, and this is the charts of Bharat Forge. The charts say, oh, I'm sorry, this is Nifty. Bharat Bharat Forge. Yeah, this is the daily chart of Bharat Forge. It had a nice rally today, opened with a gap up and sustained above it. Now it has closed above the 20, 20, 50 and even the 100 moving average. The only thing left is 200 moving average. There could be a probable test. In fact, it has already fell short, just 4 points shy of the 200 SMA. Probably if the numbers are good, the sales numbers are good, maybe tomorrow or day after, we can see this testing the 200 SMA. And probably from there it will be a make or break zone. If it crosses the 200 SMA and closes above 727 for 1 or 2 days, then we can expect a rally towards 800. But on the other hand, if it fails to cross 727 and close above that particular level, we can see 660 odd levels, which is the present 20 moving average. So probably in next couple of days, 727 will be a make or break zone for this particular uh, script. If 727 is crossed, we can see 800. On the other hand, if it is not crossed, we will see it slowly drifting towards the 20 SMA. At present, the 20 SMA is at 663, but it will be rising in next couple of days. So that's how about Bharat Forge. Any other queries, if you people have, we can discuss about it. Not sure why in the commodities pack, aluminum alone is falling. Actually speaking, others are a bit strong. In fact, zinc is strong, copper is also a bit strong, but aluminum is the only thing which is falling. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but according to me, it's a very good long trade. So, Nifty June prediction. Rajkumar, I have already given Nifty's June levels. I'm expecting 16,900 to 17,000 in June. Very clear. Any dip towards 16,400, 16,200 is a buy. As long as 16,000 is 16,200 is taken out on the downside. That's all about June levels. And one of our member has posted a query, Nagarjuna from Guntur, he has posted a query about Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Let's see the charts of Bank Nifty and see what's up, what we can expect. Actually, Bank Nifty became a bit weak today. So see the charts. 291.25. It is almost a bearish 1 2 3 for me. Now Bank Nifty can fall another 500 points from here, maybe for to test the round number of somewhere around 35,000. So it can fall till 35,000 levels, and 35,000 levels it could take support and then climb higher. If 37,000 is also taken out on the downside, then we may see further fall of another 500 points. But as of present scenario, it doesn't look like that it will go below 35,000. So that's the key takeaway, and everything is based on the Nasdaq close today. Okay, so Nasdaq as of present situation is 108 points on the downside, and Singapore Nifty is trading 55 points on the downside. So probably because if there is any outcome, be it positive or negative, from the meeting of US President and Federal Reserve Bank Chairman, if the news is positive, we can see upside, and if the news is negative, we could see a downside, but nothing can't be predicted now. We don't know whether there is going to be any press meet kind of stuff after the president and chairman's meeting. So we need not break our heads too much. Whatever the situation may be, tomorrow, wherever it opens, Nifty or Bank Nifty or whatever it may be, we will get our opportunities. Nothing to worry about it. Nifty will not rally without giving us any opportunity. Okay, so don't worry about it. Bank Nifty, the support for next tomorrow will be at 35,000, and the resistance for tomorrow will be at today's high. What is today's high? Let me go and check. Yeah, 35,878. So for me, it will be a fancy number. 35,888 will be the resistance for tomorrow. Until it is not getting taken out, we can't dream about any big upside in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. The charts also showing an indication that the race is getting exhausted on the higher side. So this is about Bank Nifty. Let's see how Nifty 50 will react. In fact, Nifty 50 actually had an inside candle today. What is inside candle? Yesterday's high and low is in between today's high and low. Okay, yesterday high is 16695 and low is 16506, and today's high is 16690, which is 5 points short of yesterday's high, and today's low is 16522, which is 17 points higher than that of the yesterday's low. So now for tomorrow, the crucial levels are yesterday's high and low. Whichever side it gives a breakout, we will have a directional move on that particular side. As of present situation, higher side move is quite unlikely. There is a probability of we coming down. And one more point, if we break down below 16500 and trade for a couple of minutes, maybe 15 or 30 minutes, then there are very good chances we will try to go and bridge the gap till 16370. So if you ask me what is a very good buying level for tomorrow, I would say if you are a risk taker, you can take a risk and buy around 16,450 to 480. And if you want to be a safe trader, then you need to wait for a dip towards 16,370 to 400. That is my level. Over there only you can initiate longs. Until that level, you are not supposed to initiate any longs. So please be cautious. Okay. That's how about Nifty for tomorrow. Now, if you people have any individual stock specific queries, if, you can ask me. I can explain you. With the help of charts. Without charts, I will not speak anything. With the help of charts, I will explain. Let me post one update for my members. Naranjan, just give me a minute. Naranjan and Ayush, just give me a minute. I'm just posting one update for my members. Once I post it, I will come and update you. Um, view on Titan. Let's open the charts, bro. Will not speak without charts. Titan. Yeah, Titan has given a buy signal as per super trend. So when a stock gives a signal, buy or sell signal, whatever it may be, based on super trend, that stock or index, whatever it may be, it will be in that particular direction for the next 5 days minimum. Next 5 days it will be on the particular direction only. So you need not, if you want to take a long, then you may take a long if there is a dip tomorrow towards 2275, and you may have a stop loss around 2240. The actual stop loss is 2222. Since that is very wide, I am suggesting a smaller stop loss. 2240 will be your stop loss, and if you get a close above 2300, we can see it moving at least till 2500 very soon. So this is my view about Titan for the next couple of days. HDFC Life 650 call. HDFC Life. Yeah, this is the chart of HDFC Life. Seeing some exhaustion at higher levels. Probably he can have a test of the previous breakout zone, or he may consolidate around this particular level. Let me mark this level. Yeah, around 597. Maybe it will consolidate for a while between 590 to 590 to 600 for 1 or 2 days, and after 1 or 2 days he will give a clear direction. So since your position is deep out of the money position, and the premium amount also which we have paid is also very small amount, you can try and hold your position. If it gives a breakout on the higher side, you will be definitely getting benefited out of your trade. So just take a risk and hold it. And on the other hand, if it closes below 590, then exit your position, don't hold it. Okay. Any other questions? USA in decline, will it affect India? Definitely it will affect India if the crack is very bad. So as of present situation, it is okay kind of stuff. But if the crack is bad, then we will get badly affected tomorrow. But whatever the scenario may be, our market is in a buy on dips kind of market until we close below 16200. Good evening, Bipin. Will war in Ukraine affect US? Shreyansh, where are you? War started 2 months back. Okay. War has started 2 months back. I mean, March 24th, I guess. March 24th or February 24th. That was the day when war has started. So don't worry about it. It has already affected not only US, the entire world. Good evening, Bipin. How long can we sustain high commodity prices? How long, in the sense, as long as there is a solution for the sanctions by other nations against Russia. Say, for example, tomorrow if European Union comes and says we are going to buy crude oil from Russia like we have bought earlier. Okay, as of now they have made a sanctions around 50% of their 50 to 60% of their limit. Okay, so that's why we have rallied from 6,000 to 9,000. So if tomorrow they come and say, I'm not saying tomorrow, in next couple of days, if they are coming and saying that we are going to buy from Russia like as usual, like 100% quantity, whatever we have bought earlier before the war has started. Crude will come all the way down to 6,000 within just 4 or 5 days from the announcement. See, you are just seeing the news flashes which the media has forecasted. I mean, showed to you. EU to ban 90% of oil exports from Russia will be implemented till December 2022. We are in May. Okay, so forget about May. We are already done with May. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Another 7 months is there for them to ban till 90%. So don't, these medias are creating a hype in such a way that from tomorrow they are going to ban 90% of the oil exports. It is not so. As of now, it is only 50 to 60%. They have said that we are gradually going to increase that our ban is till 90% of the imports from Russia. That is the actual news. That is the real fact. Don't get confused about the things which media circulate to you, because these media things, the things done by media are um, purely irrelevant, and they will do anything for their for raising their TRP. So please don't get confused with those false kind of news from media. It is 90% only, I agree, but the 90% is effective only till, I mean, they have said that we are going to gradually increase the imports from Russia till 90% till December 2022. That is the exact news. Do we have any other questions, guys? We have planned for a 30-minute session and it's done. And will made in USA hype affect India in future? Boss, why are your questions like this? You are asking, will US fall will affect India, whether Ukraine war will affect US, whether China will affect India, or whether USA hype will like India. Why are you worried about this? Just go through the charts. They will show you what is going to happen. Okay, any abnormal moves will be cannot be predicted from the cannot be predicted through charts. Okay, or else everything can be predicted. Whatever happens across the world, let it happen. You trust your charts. Don't worry about it. Crude at $122 is bad. Because it is bad, whether we have cracked for 10,000, whether our markets has cracked below 10,000 in Nifty. The answer is no, right? Natural gas above, I mean 650, 700 is bad. We are consistently trading above 650 since 15th of this month. Whether we have gone to 11,000 Nifty, nothing has happened like that, right? USA is boosting its manufacturing sector, so there will be job losses in India. Boss, I am least bothered about what USA is doing. I am bothered about only our markets. Let them do whatever they want. Okay, they can't work without Indians supporting them. Point blank. That's it. Looks like you are worried about the global markets more than the Indian markets. Let them do whatever they want. We will do whatever we want. Okay, nothing is there. Something has gone wrong in commodities, especially in aluminum. I don't think this is a reliable fall, but we should not take any risk at this moment. Even if you go through the daily charts, I think it has turned negative. Yes, it has turned negative, daily charts. So if people want to go long in aluminum, today's low will be their stop loss, but not now. Maybe if there is any reversal by end of the day, maybe after 9 or even after 11, if there is any recovery, then we can go long with today's low as stop loss. So any other questions? Our market is connected with them. Okay, so what? The world has increased aluminum production and cost will go down in next 2 years. Okay. Okay. We have scheduled for a 30-minute session and so as copper, nickel and other. Nickel I have stopped trading, bro. I am not looking after nickel for a long time. When it rose like more than 100% on a given day when the war broke out. Bro, you are giving too much of information over here. The question, the session is just for queries for the members who are interested. Okay, don't give too much of information over here because it may not help anybody of over here. So it's not required. Too much of information is not required over here. If any of you have any questions about your individual positions or about markets for tomorrow, you can ask me, or else we will wind up the session. Like I said earlier, we have scheduled for a 30-minute session, but we have already done nearly for 35 minutes. See you all in tomorrow's YouTube live session at 9 a.m. in the morning. Have a good day, guys. Bye for now.